Dr. Sapp, Dr. Sapp, please help. My son's just been coughing all morning. My son's been coughing all morning. We've given him Powerade and chicken wings and ketchup and fries, and we just can't seem to get the coughs away. Can you help us? Okay.
There's only one bad thing in there.
There's only one bad thing in there? Okay, what is it?
What's in there is a little friend that's very bad that people can't eat.
Oh, gosh. He ate? That's what he ate? Oh, my
So we're
goodness.
going to take it out.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much for all your help, Dr. Sapp. Okay. Don't worry, Jacob. She's gonna make you feel all better. Don't worry.
You have clean ear, but a little bit of dirt.
Okay.
Don't worry, it'll be okay. If you're not hurting. In there.
Okay.
Okay. Let's wrap this on. Turn it like that. Okay.
Okay. Jacob, maybe move your drink and your plate out of the way so she can help you a little bit better. Oh, goodness. Yeah, I mean, it's just been like this all day. He's just been coughing, and we just, oh gosh,
Okay, let me give you one.
Ooh, goodness. Oh, goodness.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, my flag. I see that little. Okay. So what's wrong? We're gonna use this to make it work.
Okay, this will be to be continued.